My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 BMW 4 Series M Sport Edition. This vehicle has done just under 93,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can access our settings, vehicle information, connected drive, contacts, navigation, telephone, radio, and multimedia. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. This BMW 4 Series also comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from. So we have Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.